Hello, my name is Ron Kamisik, and I am the Product Manager for Distribution Hardware at MacLean Power Systems. Today I want to introduce you to the new FX series of fast lag screws. Catalog numbers J8753FX and J8754FX. Products designed to reduce lineman fatigue and increase installation efficiency. Fast starts and easy driving are the key features of these lag screws, which are also compatible with the sockets and power tools already on the bucket truck. Notable qualities of the fast lags include a Type 17 tip for easy self-piloting, an aggressive wood thread for fast driving into poles, a 3/4 inch hex head, an upset 1/2 inch diameter shoulder for snug fits into assembled hardware, and it's made of high-strength steel and hot-dip galvanized for a long service life. Traditional lags have been around for nearly a century, and the common method of installation has been hammering in the lag. But using modern technology and manufacturing methods, the new MacLean Fast Lags offer an ergonomic solution, and no hammering is required. Utilities can reduce lineman fatigue and increase the productivity of hardware installation by using new fast lag screws from MacLean Power System. The FX series, like all MacLean Power Lags, conform to ANSI, ASTM, and RUS requirements. Download a test report and learn more about the new fast lags at MacLeanPower.com.